Beaver Bite Food Reviews, and today, my friends, we have Swanson chicken pot pie, and this, they say, has no artificial flavors or colors. We're going to give us Beaver Bite, I can't believe, 99 cents. So you can pick up 5 of these for $5, no tax. We're going to go in for Beaver Bite. They come in with these little trays, microwavable. So this has a cardboard on the outside so it doesn't affect your microwave, and it'll brown on the inside. But for this one, I used the air fryer. I like the air fryer the best for most things. And I'm going to have a bit of ketchup with my chicken pot pie. There we go. There we go. Have a look at that. Let's get in there. First thing, I like the crust, especially with the air fryer, nice and crispy on the outside. Go inside here, see if there's any chicken in there. There's a nice piece of chicken right there. Let's get in there. I dip in a little bit of ketchup. Nothing wrong with that. 99 cents, you know, like, there's some green beans in there. There we go. You gotta try this out, especially inside the air fryer. Very nice. It's a tad salty, I have to admit it, but the crust is good. It's flaky, especially inside the air fryer, nice and crispy on the outside. There are nice pieces of chicken in it. You can see that. There's nice pieces of chicken up in there. See that there? A bit of crust here. Swanson chicken pot pie, 99 cents. Right now it is at the Independent here in North Bay. I'm going to give this, I don't know why I'm doing this, 9.3 out of 10, because for 99 cents, it's amazing. Have a great day. I'm the Beaver. Be safe. A little treat for you guys here.